Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking the first actionable steps. Inventory your technical skills and choose 3 strong projects. Explain why each project matters and link code and README on GitHub so reviewers can verify. Once done, quantify results, accuracy, awk, dataset size, and save screenshots. Make sure to write concise one-line descriptions for each project. This immediate work converts vague experience into verifiable evidence and sets the foundation for resume drafting without delay. You now assemble the resume body with clear structure and measurable claims. Start with a 2-3 line summary that highlights your focus and impact. Make it role-specific. Then convert each experience into action verb, tool used, and outcome with metrics. Once that is consistent, add a concise skills matrix and relevant coursework or certifications to satisfy ATS filters. Make sure to prioritize projects and experiences that align with target job descriptions. And iterate. You finish by polishing and validating the resume for submission. Standardize tense and formatting, trim to 1 page if early career, and export a clean PDF. Then test ATS parsing and tailor the top third of the document to each job by swapping keywords and emphasizing matching tools. If you see repeated rejections, troubleshoot. /B test 2 summaries, replace weak verbs and swap project order, track responses and adjust. Make sure to keep a version history so improvements are easy to apply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.